Kirchhoff's second law. The algebraic sum of changes in potential around any closed loop is zero, means summation of delta V is zero while we travel from point A to B to C to D and again come back to point. When we travel in the direction of current, then the potential through the resistor considered as negative. When we travel in the opposite direction of current, potential through the resistor can be considered as positive. When moving from lower potential to higher potential of a battery, potential can be considered as positive. From higher potential to lower potential, considered as negative. Apply rule to loop A, B, C, D, A. So moving clockwise from lower to higher potential, E1 is positive in the direction of current, so I1 R1 negative. Again in the direction of current, so minus I2 R2. From lower potential to higher, plus E2 is equal to 0. So E1 plus E2 is equal to I1 R1 plus I2 R2. It based on conservation of energy. The electrostatic force which is required to circulate a charge in a closed loop is conservative. So when we travel from point A and again come back to A, the change in potential is 0. If delta V is 0, then V is constant, so energy remain conserved.